What signs indicate my HVAC system is aging gracefully? An aging HVAC system is doing well when it keeps your home comfortable, uses energy steadily, needs only occasional repairs, and shows no major safety or performance problems. A system that is aging gracefully usually heats and cools each room fairly evenly, without long periods of running or frequent starting and stopping. Your energy bills may slowly rise as the equipment gets older, but they should not suddenly jump without a clear reason. It should also make familiar, steady sounds instead of new banging, grinding, squealing, or rattling noises. Clean air filters, clear outdoor space, and regular professional maintenance help an older system work less hard. One useful clue is whether repairs are small and spread out, such as replacing a capacitor or worn belt, rather than repeated major repairs. Check the temperature difference between your thermostat setting and the actual room temperature and notice whether humidity feels reasonable indoors. Many people do not know that short cycling, which means turning on and off too often, can wear out parts faster than steady operation, even when the home feels comfortable. Keep a simple record of repairs, energy bills, unusual sounds, and comfort changes so you can spot gradual decline before an emergency. A common mistake is judging the system only by its age, because careful maintenance can extend useful service while neglected equipment may fail sooner. Focus on performance and repair history instead. Another mistake is ignoring a small refrigerant leak or weak airflow because the system still cools, so schedule an inspection before the compressor works too hard. People also often replace filters too rarely or use a filter that is too restrictive. Check it monthly and use the size and rating recommended for your system. If a repair costs close to half the price of a comparable replacement, ask for both options and compare expected life, efficiency, and warranty coverage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors message you with their estimates.